Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making this beautiful mushroom in just a few easy steps. All you'll need is a pair of scissors and a book around 400 pages. You can also use an X-Acto knife if you prefer. Now, just by chance, what I realized, if you turned it upside down, what you have is a beautiful vase as well. So this project is actually 2-in-1. So if you go ahead and add some flowers, you could use this as a vase as well. So either option, vase or mushroom, two projects in one. Let's get started. To make the mushroom, use a book that's between 350 and 400 pages. The first step is you're going to go ahead and take off the front and back cover, like so. This page has writing on it. Let's just take that page off, so I'll start right here. The next step is you can go and get the template for the mushroom pattern off my Facebook page. The link is right below. It comes with two sizes, the large and the small. I'm going to be using the small, and actually the small, since my book is fairly short, it's at 19 centimeters tall, and the average book is 22 centimeters tall, I'm going to actually have to shorten this just a bit, so I'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and use the smaller template. Go ahead and cut that out. If you print this on cardstock, it'll be a lot easier to use. So that would be tip number 1. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut. I know I need to make this a little bit smaller, so I'm going to kind of round off the top of it, like so. And as you can see, it's still a smidgen too tall, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut the bottom off a little bit so you can play with the template like so. So this will be my mushroom template. So the next step is you're going to go ahead and take a pencil and you're going to put it right up to the spine, and you're going to go ahead and trace. I'm going to put this on the very top, like so. And then I'm just going to trace. Again, if this was on cardstock, it would be a little bit easier, so I would use that as a suggestion. And that's my template. Now you can use scissors or an X-Acto knife or a combination of both. So if you're using an X-Acto knife, be pretty careful and always cut away from yourself. And you're going to go ahead, and you'll probably be able to cut 10, 20 pages at a time by just going over it and over it, like so. And it's just easier to go ahead and move the book as you angle around it. And then you can just start taking off the pages as they come off. Again, if you prefer to use a combination with the scissors, you can do that too. And you can try to cut 5 to 10 pages at a time. So again, it's totally up to you how you go about doing this. I do tend to have a combination of both the knife and the scissors. That's my personal preference. And you will just keep repeating this for the entire book. So at this point, I'm on page 31, and you can already start to see, as you open the book, what the shape of the mushroom will look like. So very easy project. And so I'm ready to go ahead and continue. So go ahead and trace again. And then just continue. As I'm working on this would be a great time to like and subscribe. I have new videos that come out every single Sunday. So if you subscribe, you definitely won't be missing them. And if you wouldn't mind commenting below on how you decide to decorate your mushroom. Are you going to spray paint it red and white? Are you going to leave it alone and just use the beautiful texture from the page? So lots of different decisions. So I'll continue to work on this, and then we'll meet back at the end for some finishing tips. So I'm about 3/4 through with the project. As you can see, it's already forming the beautiful mushroom. I love the simplicity of it. I love how the words on the page give it this lovely texture. So as you keep going, just keep on continuing the same process. And as you can see, I'm just continuing. I am finding for the most part, because the shape is pretty simple compared to some of the other ones I've done. I've done a teddy bear that's like this. I've done a snowman. So if you want to go ahead and check those videos out as well, that the scissors actually work quite well with this project. So I'm not actually using the utility knife as much as I thought I would. So I probably have about 2 more layers I need to keep doing this with. And as you can see, this is going to come around real nice. So I would say right around 400 pages is about right. Finally finished. So I finished the project, and then what you'll do at the very end, as you can see, this is the spine right here. You're just going to go ahead and glue, add some glue gun hot glue right here to glue that together, and then you'll have your mushroom. So go ahead and get the glue gun out. So you'll just go ahead and add the glue right here along the spine, and then just hold it for a second, and there you have your mushroom. Again, if you want to paint it red or green, maybe little white spots, you could tie a ribbon around it. Totally up to you what you want to do, but I just think it's beautiful and the simplicity of it.